Right, here we go. We've got 3 for $12 going on the grill. M&S, and we want to know, are these value for money? Do they stack up, all right? 12 quid. I feel like you get quite a lot for 12 quid. I think it's nice. People seem to think M&S is really expensive for everything, and it really ain't, honestly. Certain things are. Listen, that lump of bread there earlier on, sourdough, it was 4 quid for a loaf of bread. So certain things are a little bit, do you know what I mean? But it was very nice, so the taste was good.
It must be quite reasonable. Some bit.
That bread, unbelievable.
Yeah, it is very nice.
Very, very nice, and we've gnawed through half of it. That was double that size and some.
Flavour.
But I want to see these. When I saw them in there, 3 for 12 quid, I thought that's good value for money. You get posh dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 posh American-style smoky seasoned sausages.
Nice.
We got 4 peri chicken dogs, high in protein. My Ted see the high in protein bit, and he thought, yeah, that's a bit of me, Dad. And then we got 4 lamb shish kebabs.
Oh, they're nice.
Look, cumin, chilli, coriander seasoning. They look really nice. I reckon they could have been a little bit bigger. Maybe a little bit bigger, you know what I mean? Just a little bit. All right, fair enough, I'm greedy. But I think that's good.
That's adequate, look at that.
I think that's good. So what I've done, got my grill on. That's on nice temperature. It's coming up to heat now. Give that another 5 minutes, burning that one side. And we're going to cook all this up at once. And we're going to see if the taste is as good as what we think it should be. And do they come out looking like they should look on the pictures? These are nice though, look. Fresh lamb. Lovely.
And new things to try as well.
And this chicken reared in barns with pecking objects and places to perch. Always, that's good, isn't it?
What's that?
They're looking after their chickens and that. That's what they're saying. They're looking after them. They're having a good life.
It's all on
there. Yeah, because I don't ever read on this stuff, you know.
Read
Fresh pork is outdoor
label.
breed. Yeah, bred and raised. Higher welfare standards. Always British.
Did you read the label on me first?
That's where I went wrong in life. All up on the grill while they cook. Be rude not to, wouldn't it? Frankie? Cheers.
Big ears?
Oh, you call him Big Ears? Go on, son, enjoy it. Crack on. She's coming on a absolute dream right now. My man thinks he's a raver because he's got himself a bottle of San Miguel. All of a sudden, he's turned into a new man, Ren. Go on, up on the wall, son. Give it some large like you're raving. Up on the wall with it. Come on, take your drink with you. Look, foam everywhere. Go on. Go on, then, like you're in a rave. Turn the music on. Look at her, she thinks she's a raver and all. Don't shake it, because it's ruining my beer. Look, he ain't even had a drink. Look, he ain't even had a swig out of it. He's just playing with it, walking around with it like he's a G. You dickhead! You absolute dick. Put it back there and shut up and go and get your lemonade. Look at him! Ooh. Yeah, baby. Look at that bad boy. She's going there. These are for the testers and the trialers. And that's going there. I'm going to leave them on there for the minute, the warm. That side's on the cold. So that residual heat will just come over there and keep them nice and ready for when we're ready to eat. But for now, just a cheeky little bit of bacon as well. We're going to see what these bad boys are all about. My man Ted's behind the camera trying to touch the goodies.
That looks good.
That looks lovely. That looks lovely. It all looks good. It all looks good, brother. Straight off the stick, nice and clean. Come on. Right.
Are these on chicken things?
These are the pork ones. They're your chicken high protein ones. That is roasting hot, brother. Yeah. Wowza! Wowza!
Chicken.
Yeah? Oh, my mouth is salivating. Ready for that?
I don't know what that means.
It's like, you know when you salivate, your mouth goes all watery. Salivation. What are you saying?
They're hot. Like,
piping hot.
well too hot.
Yeah, they're hot. So we're going to let them cool down for a minute, and then we're going to get busy, and we're going to see, and we're going to vote on this stuff. Is that £12 for free worth? It visually looks like it. You understand?
Yeah.
But it's a taste.
I reckon it'll be alright.
How is it?
Nut.
Is that the new stuff, the lamb one?
Mmm.
I'm looking forward to that. Can I try a bit of that, please?
That's so good.
Oh, I like that. That's got a lovely spice to it as well.
Come on, son. Try it. Mmm.
What's it tasting?
That lamb was the nuts. Do you want to try some of that lamb?
Yeah.
Huh? No, you're right for a minute. What's that chicken sausage like? That's the chicken sausage, yeah. That lamb was the nuts.
I like it.
That's good.
That's nice, isn't it?
That's got flavour.
Look nice.
That chicken's lovely. Try
Oh,
that
that's
chicken.
what.
Try that chicken, man.
That was really
Here, Sage. Try that.
What is it?
Chicken
Cut that-
sausage.
Can
Try
you
it.
cut the chicken in half, please, Chef?
You sure it's chicken?
Yeah. Pork one, you mean?
Oh, yeah, sorry. No?
That's the pork one.
Oh, okay, sorry.
That's some turkey. That's some lamb for
Try that.
Oh, that lamb's lovely, isn't it?
That lamb is the nuts. That chicken is the nuts.
Do you like salami with it?
I like that. I'll buy them again.
Then.
They're like American. Well, they are. Frankfurt, like that. You know, like that. Hot.
Frank, sausages for you.
Mmm.
Oh, really nice.
That's really nice.
Can I have one of them lamb things, please?
It is.
We want one of them lamb. Yeah, in a minute, bro. When we're doing all the dinner and that together.
Chicken sausage, lamb. Lamb sausage, that's a posh hot dog,
No.
isn't it?
Yeah,
No.
lamb kebab.
Lamb kebab,
Chicken
chicken
sausage and a
sausage.
pork sausage.
Oh, all three there?
Yes.
Oh,
Don't even know what you're eating.
no, just nice.
Oh, trusting.
Well, there's the verdict, isn't it?
Another
Just
one.
nice.
3 for 12 is a winner.
There's another one.